Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Leah here. Today I will make folio number 2 from the Blossom Garden series. In last video I was making folio number 1, so this is the folio, and today I will make this folio here. Quickly I will show you the folio. So here is the front of the folio, and this flap, if you open it, if you open these two flaps, then on the inside there are like two inside flaps, and the folio is not difficult to make, and all the pieces you get in a kit. So it's the same with this one, so every piece is already pre-cut, and it's not pre-cut, but it's like each piece is made separately, and you just cut them out and build these beautiful folios. So like I said, this is folio number 1 and this is folio number 2. So then we have only one folio left to make a folio, like folio album. Now let's get started. I will start matting this upper flap with pocket, and first I will mat the outside of the flap, and this paper I will use for the pocket, and the border will be used for this upper section of the pocket. And this paper will be, this paper will cover the opening of the pocket. Okay, so now I will take glue and glue everything down. There's also a tag for the pocket, and I will mat it later. But first, I will mat the whole page. For the inside of the flap, I chose these two papers, this striped paper and this beautiful paper with words and some images. I will move to the bottom part, actually to the bottom flap. And for the outside, I have these 3 pieces. And first, I will mat this border. And then it's the same paper with words as I use for the upper flap. And then here, down here will be the solid paper. And for the inside, I will open the flap and use these 2 papers. The same paper as I used for the upper flap and for the inside, for the outside of this bottom flap. And also I will use this striped paper. And I think it coordinates so well with, when you open the flap, it coordinates so well with the flap on the other side. Here is the flap, how it looks so far. And I think it looks beautiful. And now I will start matting these 2 inside flaps. This one is upper flap. And for this flap, I have these 4 pieces here. 1, stripe of this, how is like floral, flourished paper, something like that. And then here is border, and then another flap. I mean, another paper that is the same as the upper one. Here are two pieces of paper for the inside, and this type of paper I will use to mat the left side of the flap, and this paper will go to this side. So I have one more flap to mat, and I chose these two papers, and I have this paper here, this little border of floral paper, and it matches so well. And then here is like this larger piece of this, well, how is it, like floral flourished paper. When upper flap is closed, then it matches so well with this border here. And also this small or tiny stripe of floral paper matches so well with the paper on this side. Okay, album, actually folio is almost finished. There is only this flap and the binding page. Actually, this is not binding page, this is the base of the folio. Needs to be matted. Okay, so here I will have this paper on this side, and then this paper and floral paper on this side here. And when you open the both flaps, you know, it matches so well, like upper flap and this bottom flap and side flaps. So it coordinates so well with each other. And now I just need to mat this down. And here is the last piece for the base. And this is how it will look. So this is very beautiful paper. It's like grit with tiny dots, pink dots, and I think it matches so well with the rest of the paper. Okay, here it is, all finished. And all I need to do is mat the tag for the pocket. And I have here all the pieces needed. So here is border and striped paper and the solid paper here. And then again, it will repeat. These two papers will repeat. And first, there will be striped paper, and at the bottom, I will use this border. I will also mat the back, and here are papers I will use: the grit paper, striped paper, and solid paper. tag is all finished, and here I will insert it into pocket, and this is how it looks. I think it looks beautiful. And here, final look. I did not mat the back because I will attach this folio into folio book. If you want to use the folio just like it is, not to attach it in any journal or a book, then you can use papers from the kit and cover the back with those papers. I hope you like the folio and that you enjoyed creating it with me. Don't miss part 3 of this tutorial. I will post video very soon. So thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.